Trezor wallet versus blockchain wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are included in the description. In this video, we'll compare Trezor and blockchain wallet, two popular choices in the crypto space, to help you determine which is best for your needs. We'll cover key features, security, and usability to give you a clear picture of what each wallet offers. Trezor wallet, specifically the Trezor Model T, is a hardware wallet designed for long-term storage and maximum security. It supports over 1,000 cryptocurrencies and uses open-source software, ensuring transparency and frequent security updates. One of Trezor's standout features is its offline storage of private keys, meaning they never leave the device, reducing the risk of hacks. The Model T's touchscreen interface is user-friendly, making it accessible even to beginners. However, it needs to be connected via USB to your computer or mobile device, which limits portability. Trezor is ideal for users who prioritize security and are looking to store their assets offline for added protection. Blockchain wallet, on the other hand, is a software wallet known for its simplicity and ease of use. It's available as both a web and mobile app, making it very accessible for users who need quick access to their funds. Blockchain wallet supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptocurrencies, but it doesn't offer the same extensive coin support as Trezor. One of its major selling points is the ease of sending and receiving cryptocurrency directly from the wallet. Blockchain wallet offers a more basic security model with backup keys, and while it has two-factor authentication, it doesn't provide the same level of physical security as a hardware wallet like Trezor. In summary, Trezor Wallet is the superior option for those who prioritize security, long-term storage, and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It's perfect for more serious crypto investors and users who want to protect their assets from hacks. Blockchain Wallet, on the other hand, is ideal for beginners or users looking for quick, on-the-go access to their crypto with a simpler security model. Ultimately, if you're looking for the highest level of protection, Trezor is the clear winner. Check the links in the description for more details, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.